what would I say to those investors that are still very skeptical about remaining invested in sustainability? I would say something very simple. Don't bet against science. The question that we are trying to debate with our clients is, how do you invest today in tomorrow's economy?
There are 4 systems changes that we are focused on. There's climate, nature, social, and then technology, which runs as a digital spine across the 3. You can see the pain points that the economy needs to respond to. And for us, that's what's driving the transition.
Plenty of examples. In the energy system, we're talking about electrification, decarbonization of power generation. In the social space, a good example is in health, where we're switching from what we like to call a sick care model, really focused on treating people when they're already sick, to preventing disease.
For any of the missions that I talk about, we need collective investment, sharing of risks, sharing of rewards. And I do think that we can solve the global climate crisis. I do think we can solve the global hydrological crisis, the biodiversity crisis, but also this massive inequality crisis. Let's formulate the right kind of partnerships and capitalism that are outcomes oriented and distribute the rewards based on that collective risk-taking.
As a long-term investor, I would say we invest less in sustainability strategies, but more sustainably across the portfolio. Sustainability is not a product opportunity, it's a way of thinking about risk and return throughout the portfolio.
Which companies are going to help us respond to the problems and which ones are going to deliver alpha through that process? So you're kind of running towards the problems rather than running away from the problems.
I'm optimistic about the sustainable investment journey, but I'd say we have to be open to evolution and iteration.
We can debate timing, and we can debate the shape of the transition. One thing we don't think we can debate is the end game. And therefore, it is our firm belief that we will end up in a net zero, nature positive, socially more constructive economy.